Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Stitch project. So let's get straight into it. Now, first, what we are going to do is here in this dashboard, we will select the project we want to delete. So let's go with this one here. So Smart Cycle Hub, just like that. Or we can probably select another one if it's possible. Okay, so let's select this one that I want to delete. Okay, now we have open up. The second thing is what we are going to do is head over here to the top left corner where you see the name of your project and then these three vertical lines here, and then click on it and you will see delete project. And this small pop-up window will appear, red button, delete project, just like that. And you can see that now it's not anymore in your left menu on your dashboard. So let's delete another one just like that, and you can see under the recent we have just one right here. And this is pretty much it, how to delete project. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next